Paragon Model School, Mirpur, Matilo is going to start admissions for session 2020 for playgroup to class 3. The main features: fun and safe environment, activity-based integrated curriculum, Julie Phonics and EPL for early years, multiple intelligence theory-based lessons, one-to-one extra help sessions, teachers training for continuous professional development. Facilities will be provided: interactive classrooms, multimedia support, and the computer lab. The vision: learn here and lead anywhere. The mission: to produce future leaders who are determined, generous, sincere, and capable. For more information, contact us 0307 2262 021. Address: Sufi Mohalla near Old Market, Mirpur, Mathelo.